On the way to his office, Mark had an accident. He kept thinking and remembered he was a registered member at KARAJAT.com. He used KARAJAT.com and quickly accessed the nearest trusted garages. With KARAJAT.com, locate the garage within seconds. Ask for the best quotations from the most trusted and rated garages. With no time, road assistance was provided to Mark and his car was taken for repairs. Mark is happy now that his car has been repaired with a very fair cost by the best technicians. So what are you waiting for? Visit www.karajat.com and become a member today.